Okay, children. Ninth, you may do is squaring on both sides and find the discriminant. You may get the value 45. Option 4 will get. Tenth one, the product of the roots of square root of 2x square minus 10x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So we have formula. What is the formula? Product of roots. What is the
C
formula?
by A.
Yes.
C by
C
A.
by A.
Alpha beta is equal to C by A. We have to compare properly these. Root 2x square minus 10x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. With x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In place of a, there is root 2. In place of b, there is minus 10. In place of c, there is 5 root 2. 5 root 2. We have to substitute these values in this formula. C 5 root 2 by a root 2. So
Root 2.
root cancel.
Root 2 root cancel.
Get to 5 is the
5 ones.
answer. Option 2. Option 2. Okay, children. Children, you didn't send yesterday. You didn't send MMPT answers and practice test answers. మీరు మీ బుక్ లో కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుంటారమ్మా? మరి నేను పంపించడం అవసరం లేదా? ఒకసారి మీరు అందరూ కూడా వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి. స్టాప్ షేర్. రైట్. మరి మీరు అందరూ కూడా పాలిసెట్ గైడ్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా? మీ బుక్ లో మరి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారు అందరూ? అవే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారా రెగ్యులర్ గా? అంటే ఒక సీక్వెన్స్ మీరు మెయింటైన్ చేసుకోండి. ఎట్లా మెయింటైన్ చేసుకోండి? ఇప్పుడు ఒక టాపిక్ అయింది, నేను చెప్పాను, బోర్డు మీద అయితే బోర్డు మీద చెప్పేస్తాను. ఇలా కాన్సెప్ట్ కరెక్ట్ గా మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. దాని ద్వారా మీరు ఏంటంటే మీ బుక్ లో మీ దగ్గర ఉన్నటువంటి ఇంటెంట్స్ గైడ్లు అవి ఒక సీక్వెన్స్ లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. దాంట్లో కూడా మీకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఆ తర్వాత ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ ఉంటాయి, ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి. కానీ మీరు బాగా డెప్త్ గా వెళ్ళకండి. డెప్త్ గా వెళ్ళినట్లయితే మీకు ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద, ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ మీద చాలా ట్రబుల్ ఫేస్ చేయవలసి వస్తుంది. ఎందుకు ఈసారి అంత డెప్త్ గా వెళ్ళొద్దు అంటే, ఈసారి సరి అయిన విధంగా మీకు సిలబస్ కంప్లీట్ కాలేదు. ఎవరికి అంటే మీకు కాదు, ఎవరికి కాలేదు. అప్పుడు బాగా డెప్త్ గా ఇవ్వడం వీలు కాదు. సింపుల్ గానే ఉంటుంది పేపర్. అయితే కాన్సెప్ట్ మాత్రం పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా నేర్చుకొని ఉండాలి. సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ నేర్చుకొని ఉండాలి, బాగా డెప్త్ గా వెళ్ళకండి. ఓకే. అయితే మీరు ఈ రోజు నుంచి నేను ఒక్కటి ఎంఎంపిటి మాత్రం పంపిస్తాను, మీరు బాగా డ్రిల్ చేసుకొని ఉండండి. ఎంఎంపిటి ఇంకా మీకు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ సెట్స్ అంటే నేను ఒక వీక్లీ టెస్ట్ లో పంపిస్తాను. ఓకేనా? సరిపోతుందా? మీ దగ్గర ఉన్న కూడా మీరు యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి కాబట్టి మీకు ఇవి నేను పంపించేది మళ్ళీ మీరు చేయడానికి టైం వీలు అవుతలేదు కావచ్చు, నేను అదే అనుకుంటున్నా. కాబట్టి నేను ఎంఎంపిటి పంపిస్తాను. కానీ మీరు మాత్రము మీ దగ్గర ఉన్నటువంటి బుక్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చేయండి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తారు అంటే, మీ బుక్ లో ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉంటాయి, మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి, వాటిని మీరు బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. వాటి తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తారు అంటే ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయండి. కొన్ని ఈజీగా ఉండేటువంటి ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ఒకసారి అలా చూడండి. కానీ అన్ని చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయకండి. ఒక్కొక్కసారి చాలా డెప్త్ గా ఇచ్చాడు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్. సో అట్లా మీరు చేయండి. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్? రైట్. కంటిన్యూ చేయండి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్ మా.
One member waiting for admin. So good morning, my dear children.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
Good morning, very good morning. I hope
గుడ్
that
మార్నింగ్ సార్.
you are very well.
They follow internet after us.
Huh? Hello? They followed? చెప్పమ్మా. ఓకేనా? Okay, sir. Right. So, good morning, my dear children. So, yesterday we have discussed about some physical and chemical properties of the acids and base. Another subtopic is olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicator means those are changes in the odor in acidic media and basic media. So that is called a olfactory indicators. So these olfactory indicators, best example, onions, clove oil and vanilla essence. Other one, so in the acid, which colors are shows means only red color. So blue litmus paper dipped means red color. Phenolphthalein liquid solution pour means no changing, and methyl orange color. So 1 or 2 drop pour means red color coming. So finally the acids only one color shows, that is the red color. Now another side bases. So bases, it shows the 3 colors. Suppose the red litmus paper dipped means it convert to the blue color. So methyl orange color 1 or 2 drop pour means orange color slowly turn to the yellow color.
Yellow.
Next, phenolphthalein P there, yes or no? So that's why very easily identify.
Pink.
So phenolphthalein 1 or 2 drop pour means it is coming to the pink.
Light pink.
Light pink color means the bases are shows the, so blue, pink, yellow, right? So now I am going to discuss about the, so very interesting topic and very important topic. So reaction of acids and base with metals. So reaction of acids and bases with metals. So acid react with metal, what happen? So bases react with the what happen? Actually metals means it shows the basic character.
Base.
Basic.
Metal shows the basic character Non-metal shows the acidic character. Already you know. Right. So reaction of acids. Acid means any one example you take HCl. So this HCl react with the zinc. So to form a zinc chloride and the hydrogen gas. So already this lab activity done the activity 3. So only HCl only react with the metal to form a salt and water. Any metal react with any acid, what happens? So any metal. So this is a very important too. Any metal react with the any acid
It gives salt plus hydrogen.
to form a excellent to form a salt and compulsory it release in the hydrogen gas. So this is a very important. Suppose you take the concentrate or dilute sulfuric acid. So H2SO4 react with the Zn, what happens? So H2SO4 react with the Zn means first of all, so zinc sulfate, so this is the salt. Next another one is the hydrogen gas. So instead of H2SO4, so you take the nitric acid. So in the nitric acid also it react with the zinc, so it form a zinc nitrate and hydrogen gas. So equations are very important. We have a little bit to doubt. So ZnSO4 write down this Zn NO3 taken to means so Zn plus 2. So Zn plus 2 combining the SO4 minus 2. So then crisscross method you write down the ZnSO4. So next Zn plus 2 nitrate means only any negative charge. Sulfate means compulsory have the by negative charge. That is very important. So sulfate by negative charge there means ZnSO4 you write down. So don't write down the brackets. So nitrate means only uninegative charge means so this plus 2 it will coming to the opposite to bottom of the group. So this is the zinc nitrate. So not only this type of acid. So any sulfuric acid also you take. Suppose sulfuric acid and nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid. So acetic acid react with the sodium metal. So means CH3COO NaS plus compulsory so this is the salt, sodium acetate. So finally, so any metal react with any acid form a salt. So this hydrogen gas compulsory liberated. This is a very important. An acid react with the metal, which gas is liberated, which gas is evolved. So this question asking number of times in the poly set to entrance examination. So hydrogen gas is released. Hydrogen gas. So already you know what are the properties of the hydrogen gas. Pop sound.
Pop sound.
Put up. Pop sound. Another one is the put up. Right. Write down this one. Next, another one lab activity also there, but it is not a sometimes asking the lab activity questions. So this is the stand. So this is the one beaker and test tube. So it's in the test tube and beaker. So you take the arrangement of the two holes rubber guard. So one hole it have the delivery tube. So this is the delivery tube. So this delivery tube end the arrangement of the another test tube this like. So another hole so it have the crystal panel another. So in this test tube before and this two arrangement test tube rubber cap another this test tube arrangement before only you take the any metal means suppose zinc granules only take. So whenever pour the dilute HCl. So whenever pour the dilute HCl means this is the take this. So this is the soap solution. So this is the now this is the zinc granules. Zinc granules means zinc pieces. So then after we pour the dilute HCl, so this dilute HCl coming and react with the zinc granules. So HCl react with the zinc granules means what happened? So zinc chloride forming and the hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen gas.
Release it.
Hydrogen gas it is a very lightest gas. So that's why it will come into the upward displacement. Upward displacement so it will be goes to the upward place only. That means very lightest gas. So this gas do not have any way. Only one way there that is the delivery tube. So this delivery tube collect with the hydrogen gas send them to the soap solution. The soap solution it have the highest density content. Another one this hydrogen gas could not dissolved in the water. That's why immediately coming to the outside. Asking number of times this question. Why the soap solution the hydrogen gas do not kept and do not stored that one. It is coming to the outside. So the reasonable question asking this like means so hydrogen gas it is a very lightest gas. Another one is it is coming to the outside immediately. Why means it could not dissolve in the soap solution. Hello? 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 Right. So hydrogen gas, it is a very lightest gas. And another reason, the hydrogen gas could not dissolve in the soap solution. That's why immediately coming to the outside, it is a bubbles. So whenever the match stick, light and match stick keeping means immediately. So one the sound generated. So that is the
It gives pop sound.
pop sound. So the lighted matchstick
Put off.
so put out.
Put off.
So then the hydrogen gas will be liberated. So in this lab activity, mainly the two important properties are two important points there. So one is the so any acid react with any metal means hydrogen gas is liberated. Second one, so the hydrogen gas is a very lightest gas. So the hydrogen gas is a very lightest gas. Another one, the hydrogen gas could not dissolve in the soap solution and water also. So that's why this soap solution immediately send out to the outside. Could not dissolve means that place are not fixed, that not exist in this one. So that's why immediately coming to the outside. So another one, so it have the lightest gas. So it will be coming to the outside immediately. heat like a bubble. So this is the experiment of the reaction of an acid base with metals. Are you understanding? Okay, shall I rub
Yes,
this?
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. So in this equation, very, very important to suppose you take the magnesium react with the acid. Which acid you take? Suppose HNO. So means so magnesium nitrate and hydrogen gas is liberated. Magnesium nitrate and hydrogen gas liberated. Now coming to the very, very important so reactivity. So the reactivity. So the magnesium is more reactive than the hydrogen. That's why this magnesium it can displacement of the hydrogen. So in this reaction, it is nothing but type of a displacement reaction. This is also very, very important. Suppose sometimes you take the instead of magnesium, you take the platinum and silver and gold. So platinum, silver, gold you take. So this also metal. These metals. So one statement already he gives us any metal react with the any acid hydrogen gas releasing means sir these platinum, silver, gold also react with the acids giving the hydrogen gas means no. Okay, this statement it is depending upon the reactivity nature. So this is all of the very less reactivity nature. Means it is available in the native form. Number of time asking. Directly available. Suppose these metals are react with any concentrated any acid, sulfuric acid means so. So in the paper presentation in the blackboard position, so this like you write down. So platinum sulfate and silver sulfate and gold sulfate and hydrogen. So in the paper presentation theoretically you write down, but in the practical way, so this chemical reaction is not occurring. So practical way this chemical reaction is not occurring means so this platinum, silver, gold, these less reactive metal are do not react with the any acid. Why means acid it have the hydrogen. So hydrogen is the more reactive than the this metal. Hydrogen more reactive than the this metal. So this is the less reactivity metal. So less reactivity metal could not displacement of the hydrogen. So less reactivity metal could not displacement of the hydrogen. So that's why the hydrogen gas is not evolved. Suppose this right one beaker you take. One beaker you take means this is the concentrated sulfuric gas. H2SO4. So the silver or the platinum. So the silver or platinum, any metal it will be adding means so nothing will happen. Same as these that solution have. So no change anything. So no change anything means do not have any chemical reaction. So reaction of acids and base with metals means compulsory depending upon the reactivity nature. So in the high reactivity nature, high reactivity metal, high reactivity element can displacement of the less reactivity of the hydrogen. This is also very, very important. You have extra knowledge and extra bonus this one. So simply you write down the chemical equation means no. So compulsory have the some rules and regulation. Then you write down the that chemical equations. Right. For understanding this one. Hello, my dear students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub this one? Write down 2 minutes.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
All right. Now acid complete. What about the base? Actually, bases are could not react with the metals. Why means so bases means it is a metal. Metal how to it reacting? So base means suppose sodium hydroxide. So this sodium hydroxide means it have the one metal. This metal again metal react means so no. But little bit a specific condition lo some bases and a specific condition lo so this sodium hydroxide only very important. This sodium hydroxide only it can react with the zinc. This is a specific condition. If this is the exception case. So this is the exception case. So sodium hydroxide react with the zinc so to form a sodium zincate. Sodium zincate. Sodium zincate. So this is a very important. So a number of time asking this formula, sodium zincate formula. Actually, the bases are could not react with the any metal, but in the specific condition. So these sodium hydroxide only it can react with the zinc to form a sodium zincate. So these sodium zincate do not followed by the crisscross method. So it is the form a salt. This is also salt. So the hydrogen gas is liberated. Hydrogen means so the properties are the same. Any place the hydrogen gas released means so any chemical reaction the hydrogen gas coming to the outside means the property is the same. That the pop sound and put up. No doubt at all that one. So the properties are not changing of the hydrogen gas. That is the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas means hydrogen gas on lante. Eventually release the property is the same. So that is a put off and pop sound releasing, right? Right. Next one is the reaction of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. Add on this one. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Right, very good. So this is a very important number of time asking this question called is sodium zincate formula. Na2Zn O2 sodium zincate. So this is the chemical name. Do not have the common name. Common names already all compounds. No need. I mean some priority, some importance, some place, then given the common names. But compulsory registered and scientific chemical name have. So sodium zincate it is a chemical name and scientific name. Next is the reaction of acids with carbonates and bicarbonates. So reaction of acids with carbonates and bicarbonate with reaction of acids with carbonates and carbonates and bicarbonates. So first of all, carbonates means what? So sodium reacts with the minus carbonate ion, this one. So then crisscross method you write down the Na2CO. So this is a sodium sodium carbonate. So this is the chemical name. So what is the common name? So this is the washing soda. Washing soda. Now another one, sodium react with the bicarbonate. Then Christmas method, you write down the NaHCO3. So this name is the sodium bicarbonate. Actually, this is the sodium bicarbonate. Sometimes so hydrogen there means the pronunciation given the sodium hydrogen carbonate also. Next, what is the common name means? So this is the baking soda. Right on. This is also very important. Sometimes asking the washing soda chemical formula Na2CO3, baking soda chemical formula NaHCO3. Completed.
Completed.
Compulsory you maintain the running notes. ఇందులోకి వెళ్ళే మీకు క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి. Right. Next one. So reaction with acids and carbonates by gun. So the HCl react with the carbonate. So this is acid, this is the carbonate. Metal there means metal carbonate. So what happened? So it will form a sodium chloride and water. Carbon dioxide. So this is a very important. So why means so the carbonates and bicarbonates react with the acid, which gas is liberated, asking number of times, carbon dioxide. So carbonates, bicarbonates react with any acid means which gas releasing? So that is the
Carbon dioxide.
Next, HCl react with the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate also same.
Sodium chloride plus
Sodium chloride.
carbon dioxide.
So finally, so the carbon dioxide can release. How can you say that the carbon dioxide? So without sound, put off. Any the match stick or match flame, it will be keeping the carbon dioxide means immediately without sound and put off. Another one that carbon dioxide used in the fire extinguishing. Mantle naphthalene. Mantle naphthalene ante carbon dioxide. Then you write down the general formula. So acid. So react with the metal carbonate. So then write down the salt and water and carbon dioxide. Same another one also same acid. So sometimes metal hydrogen carbonate something. Hydrogen carbonate means nothing but a bicarbonate. Don't bother about that. Hydrogen carbonate. Next, salt and water carbon dioxide. Acid plus metal hydrogen carbonate is equal to salt plus water and carbon dioxide. The reaction of acids with carbonates and bicarbonates. So not only, so this is the, instead of sodium metal, you take the potassium carbonate also, the salt and water carbon dioxide. Instead of this sodium bicarbonate, you take the potassium hydrogen carbonate also, same that salt, water and carbon dioxide gas release. So in also one lab activity in there. So this is the one stand. So you take the one test tube. So in this test tube arrangement of the one rubber car. So one rubber car before only, so it will be arrangement of the sodium carbonate. So this is a sodium carbonate. After this rubber car it has the two holes. One hole it is working as or with the acid. So another hole it acts as a delivery tube. So in this delivery tube, another side, so it will be arrangement of the lime water. Another test tube. This is the lime water. So this is the delivery tube. Delivery tube. So this is the rubber car. So this is another test tube. This also test tube. This also already know. Now coming to the very important. So this sodium carbonate. So the sodium carbonate reacts sodium carbonate whenever pour the acid, any acid. So the sodium carbonate react with the HCl means so sodium chloride and hydrogen and carbon dioxide. So these carbon dioxide send them to the lime water. This is the lime water. Lime water means nothing but a slate lime. Already you know. So send them to the lime water means so this is the calcium hydroxide. Then what forming means so lime water slowly convert to the milky white precipitate. So this is a very, very important. Milky white PPT. So number of time asking. So lime water send or passing to the lime water, carbon dioxide send or passing to the lime water means what happened? Carbon dioxide sending and passing to the lime water lime water means what happened means the lime water means calcium hydroxide slowly convert to the a milky white precipitate. So that is called a calcium carbonate. And the water also. So this is the calcium carbonate. It is a PPT. Already you know calcium carbonate common names is the marble, chalk powder, and luncheon. Suitable carbon dioxide.